Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. And today I'm sharing a delicious recipe, Magni dal no Khichu. Have you ever heard it? I never heard that before, and when I heard, I say I have to give it a try, and trust me, it was delicious. So, just the recipe is simple, the basic recipe how we make the rice khichu, papdi no lot, exactly the way we have to make this, but instead of only rice we using rice and magni dal also, split moong dal also, and that's it. Follow the rest of the recipe and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. We'll share another recipe soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.